Hi guys, today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial on the ColourPop Moon Spark collection. So it contains the Moon Haze palette and the Hot Spark Lip Oil. So it will be a pretty quick one today. I wanted to do something fun with this because it's got like a bright colour in it. I'll show you the palette. So it is a 5-pan palette with a hot coral pink colour in the center, which is absolutely adorable. They had 3 different neon colours that you could get. This one was my favourite because I really like coral, and also these colours, like the colours around the coral, are like colours I would wear every single day. So I thought this one was fun because like it's like my everyday palette plus a pop of bright colour, which I thought was really cool. And I got it with the lip oil in Hot Spark, and it's this gorgeous coral color. I actually quite like the ColourPop lip oils, and you can see it goes on almost clear, so I feel like it almost doesn't really matter what color you get in these, because if you put on a lipstick or a lip liner under it, it's not gonna alter it all too much. But obviously this one's a lot brighter than any of the other lip oils that I have used before, so we'll see how we go today. Maybe it will have more pigment on my lips, but judging from this, I don't know if it will. But anyway, I'm just gonna quickly swatch these colors for you on my arm. Absolutely gorgeous. I am super excited to make something using these colors. Will be like a little bit normal, a little bit different for me, I think. But anyway, let's see what I do. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom you in a little bit closer for this. I'm going to start just by taking this shade here called Quantum. So I'm just going to pop into that with a fluffy crease brush. I'm just going to pop this directly in my crease, but like all the way across. Whoa, these are pigmented. Now, just on a slightly more precise fluffy shader brush, I'm just going to go into the dark shade here called Astral, the deepest shade, and pop this just over in the outer corner of my crease. So I didn't even take that last shade onto my lid, and I don't think I'll be taking this one onto my lid, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just dragging it like a tiny bit down. I'm not putting any new product on. I'm just dragging that just down to my lash line from the outer corner, but just on the end here. Okay, now for the fun part, I am taking a little pencil sort of brush and popping into the neon color Dream Wave, and I'm going to run this all the way along my lower lash line. That is so pigmented. These colors are insane. And now I'm going to use the same brush and the same shade and do the same thing on my upper lash line. So I'm sort of like lining my eyes with it. And also dragging it up at the outer corners. I'm gonna leave it like that for now with the pink liner, and I'm gonna pop into this shade here called Electro with my finger. And I'm gonna dab this on my lid and try and get it above where I put the liner. I don't want to cover that up, but I have a little bit. Whoops. Well, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. These colors are insane. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little fluffy shader brush and pop into this shade here called Outlands, and I'm gonna pop this in my inner corner and drag it to meet where I finished with the pink color on my lower lash line, and I'm going to drag it up a bit onto my lid too. And now I'm just going to pop into the deep shade and blend this into my crease a little bit more. just to blend that glittery shade in a bit more. I'm going to do the same with the lighter brown shade. There we go. And now back into my little liner pencil and the neon color, and we're just gonna go over where I went with the liner last time, just to make it pop a bit more over the shimmer shade. Just dragging it out gently, like this little wing sort of thing, right to the edge. Okay, now I'm just gonna reapply some of this along my lower lash line again, all the way across, remember, just to make it a bit darker, more poppy. And also I'm gonna pop into the dark shade and focus this just on my outer corners here on the lower lash line, just to make it a bit deeper at the outside. A little bit smoky. They're just on my lower lash line. And just with the little fluffy shaded brush I used before with this outline shade, I'm just going to pop back into that and lightly dust it on my brow bone just to give it a little glow. And there we have it, guys. I think this is how I'm gonna leave it. It's a bit interesting. I'm just gonna chuck on some eyeliner and mascara and I'll be back. There we have it, guys, the final eye look. I've also zoomed you back out. I hope that's okay. I think it's very interesting. It is probably one of the most out there looks that I have ever done on this channel, or at all, really. I do kind of like it though, but I feel like whenever I do wings with eyeshadow, I can never get them super like sleek. I really need to practice that. So if you replicate this, or you try, like, you know, to do something inspired by this, hopefully you are better at wings than me. I don't know if I should have added like black eyeliner as well to this look, but I kind of wanted to leave it just with like the pink because I feel like it's more like intense that way, and I feel like if I added liquid eyeliner over it, I might have like taken away from that, like, you know, neon like theme to the look. So I left it like this. I also did waterline and tightline just with like a brown sort of eyeliner, so it's not super like deep, but I did just use black mascara because I only have black mascara. I was thinking if I had it, I might have actually used brown for this look just because it's so like warm already, but I think it looks pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think it's really different. It's kind of fun, kind of futuristic. But anyway, I'm gonna pop on the lip oil now to finish off this look. They really smell nice. I just don't know what they smell like. Maybe it's like a slight hint of vanilla. I think everything smells like vanilla though, so I could be wrong. Ooh, you know what, actually, like looking at these two, this compared to this, it actually does have a decent amount of pigment. Like if you look at my bottom lip compared to my top lip where I haven't touched it yet. So it is quite like a neon-y, corally sort of colour. Going in for an extra dip. And you can always build it up too, I suppose. Please excuse my talking. But see what I mean? Once it's on, it's like you can't really tell that it's like slightly different colour to your natural lip, because once it's covered the whole thing, it kind of just looks natural. But I actually love this colour. One of the reasons that I bought this collection, like this one was my favourite palette, but also I thought that this would be like the best, like most natural looking of the lip oils, and it is, like I feel like it is, like that looks pretty natural to me. You can kind of see it's like a more peachy undertone than I usually reach for, but I would 100% use this every day. Like I know it looks like neon in like the little tube bottle thing, but on my lips it looks pretty damn natural if you ask me. And if you put this over a lip liner, I feel like it would not change it that much. But I really like this. I didn't want to say I really like it because I say that way too much. But anyway, I really do like this color though. This is really nice. It's like an interesting sort of look. What do you guys think? Are you going to replicate it at home? Let me know. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything that I did or any of the products I used, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel or like this video, I would really appreciate that too. And hopefully I will see you soon. Hi guys, today's video is going to be a little... God, I hope you can't see my mess over in. Oh, I nearly forgot.